This is going to be a really quick show today because I don't have too much to say.
Oh, that's funny.
I lied.
Yeah.
As some of you may know, I had a birthday this week. And the people who is I'm not going to say he's my nephew, but he is, at Hospitality Supply right here in Fort Collins, Colorado, gave me a strainer and a muddler and a corkscrew and a bar mat for my bar. They must think I make cocktails. You want to know what else they gave me? A barfly shaker. There's no bar flies in there. It's no flies.
No.
But you use it at the bar, and when you do, you might fly. Okay? I got a couple of stupid laws again today. You know how I love giving out these stupid laws. But anyhow, here we go. It is in Texas. Did you know it's illegal to threaten somebody with an unloaded gun? You better go load that son bitch. Who do you want to threaten somebody with an unloaded gun? They have a loaded gun, they're going to shoot you dead, and your gun is unloaded. What are you going to do? I'm just bluffing. I'm just bluffing. And in Indiana, it is illegal to dress in Barbie or Ken's clothes. As if they'd fit. They're not going to fit. Barbie clothes and Ken clothes aren't going to fit me and Karen Ann. I don't believe some of these laws. You know, you can go to jail in England for putting a postage stamp of the Queen upside down on postage.
Oh my.
This is crazy. This is crazy place. Crazy place. Anyhow, time for my shout outs. My GE's Kitchen, AJJI, I hope I said that right. GG's Kitchen. She does some really good cooking. You gotta check her out. She just did a collaboration with my best friend out there, Cooking with Neighbors, Jerry Allen. They just did a collaboration, so you gotta check them out. And Cooking with Anadi. He's got some really good dishes that I would like to try. And also, Mama's Mini Kitchen. Mama, I don't know how you do it, but you got some nice mini teeny meals. They're so teeny. Teeny, mini Mama Mini Kitchen. Now
So
on with the show.
You wouldn't gain weight if you ate her food.
I would probably lose weight.
Whoa.
Can't afford that. Can't afford to lose weight. So today I'm going to make a drink called the Sunset Serenade. After you drink this drink, you will be serenading somebody. Somebody's going to get serenaded with this drink. So here we go. I need some ice cubes for my drink. And some ice cubes in my shaker. Going to do 1 ounce. 1 ounce of banana brandy. 99 bananas. 99 bananas. After you drink that, you might go bananas. 1 ounce of light rum. This pour, I got a whole bunch of pourers. That come from Hospitality Supply here in Fort Collins also. Better put in a little more rum. Maybe a little bit more. What do you think? Is that enough?
I think.
Okay. 1 ounce of dark rum.
I'm trying to move the camera, but I'm jerking a little bit. Sorry.
Well, quit being a jerk.
I'm being a jerk. I'm trying to get a close-up, and I have to move.
I can do close-ups.
I know, but how come it jerks here? What is it? This is the jerky one? You gave me the jerky one?
Stop complaining.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
1 ounce of gin. Like I said, after you drink this, you're going to be serenading somebody. It's a serenade type time. And a half an ounce of Liliko'i syrup. Liliko'i Puree, actually.
Not very much, huh?
No, not too much, because you're going to add in also a half an ounce of Orgeat, right? Half an ounce of Macadamia nut Orgeat syrup. Smells like vitamins.
Oh, yuck.
Ugh. That smells like vitamins. And get my tools of the trade going here. Half an ounce of lime juice. Freshly squeezed lime juice. There you go. Yeah, I guess I can handle that, huh? Okay, now what else do I have to do? Do I have to put anything else? I think that's it. I think that is it. Now I need 1 ounce of club soda. I'm putting it in, don't put in more than an ounce, because if you put in more than an ounce, it might sizzle up on you. I put in a little bit more than an ounce just to show you what might happen. If it doesn't happen, it's not my fault. I had nothing to do with it, okay? Now serenade me, Karen. After this, I'm going to serenade you.
Okay.
I'll be serenading you until midnight tonight. You'll be getting serenaded.
Oh, boy.
Before I pass out.
I can hardly wait.
Yeah, you can. You can hardly wait.
Garnet.
I got it looking at me.
Okay. I was just telling
She always reminds me. She always reminds me. She doesn't want me to forget anything. Look what I did. Actually, Maui Karen Ann did that. She put the umbrella and lime, a wedge of lime, and a cherry and a straw, which I got at Wendy's. I got the straw at Wendy's. The straw didn't cost me anything. You know? But let me taste this. Let me taste this creature. Whoa! It's a little bit on the sweet side, but it's good. Maybe it needs a little bit more lime juice. Who knows?
So, what taste is it? Is it the banana or the...
It's got banana flavor.
And what about your Liliko'i, whatever?
I don't know. I'll have to let you know.
Liliko'i.
Liliko'i. Yeah, you can taste the Liliko'i. Anyhow, everybody out there in the world, very good drink. I put a little bit more lime juice because it was a little bit too sweet for me. And you know me, I won't tell you anything that's not the truth. Okay? Don't forget to get your vaccination, wear a mask, social distance, don't get Delta.
What are you looking at me like that for? Call your mama.
I didn't get there yet.
I didn't want you to forget.
Well, I don't forget. I say it
thought
every
you were
week. How
just-
can I forget?
Well,
Cocktail. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony. Over and out.